is my leopard gecko. 5 months old. Doesn't have a name. And it appears to be a female. Yes, I know how to tell the difference. But, I think you can tell them apart now at 5 months old, I believe. So, but it appears to be a female. And I'm happy. Because it's... Oh my god! No! Excuse me! Get up! Oh my god. Trying to go down my bed there. Whoop! As you can see, my leopard gecko likes to run a lot. It's the little hobby. And yeah, this is an update video. I'm just showing you guys how big my leopard gecko got. There's no more stripes, as you can see. You could barely see them, but they're not there anymore. She's not brown, but yellow now. Very cute. She licks me sometimes. Sometimes, I repeat. And yeah. Here you go, my leopard gecko.